IAUM. This is the iShares Gold Trust Micro. This ETF seeks to track the price of gold. This investment was incepted back in 2021. There are currently over $4 billion in assets under management. The expense ratio is 0.09%. The current price of a share is $36.74. Over 2.5 million shares trade each day. The bid-ask spread is 0.03%. The beta is 0.43. And the Sharpe ratio is 1.44. So let's build a 60-40 portfolio with this investment. And we're going to use Invest USA to help us build a portfolio. Available for the iPhone and the iPad. For the fixed income part of our portfolio, we're going to use JPIB at 7% for our foreign bonds. We're going to use 10% VCIT for our intermediate corporate bond. We're going to use 7% IEF for some intermediate term treasury bonds. We're going to use 12% in IAUM for our gold bullion. And we're going to use 4% in USFR for our money market. For the equity part of our portfolio, we're going to use 10% in VWO for emerging markets, 12% in DFIV for international value, 12% in VGT for some tech, 12% XMMO for some mid-cap momentum, and 14% QQQM for some US large cap. So we're going to use Portfolio Visualizer to perform a backtest, and we can see back to January of 2022. This 60-40 portfolio has a compound annual growth rate of 9.71, which is very close to SPY's performance, which is an all-equity fund. This portfolio has a better Sharpe ratio than the S&P 500, and now you have the knowledge to leave your financial advisor. Invest USA. Download it.